Everyone on YouTube is saying create videos with AI for TikTok, but what they are actually doing? Why are they uploading on YouTube, not on TikTok? No one has earned more than these YouTube creators using AI. I am also doing the same. I'll tell you the best AI-related niches for YouTube. But before starting, I need to tell you something. Forget about those 1K subscribers and 4K watch time milestone. Now you can get pre-monetized YouTube channels for you. And don't worry about scams or any other problems, because you can get them from me, my store link in the description.
Okay.
The first one is AI tutorials. You can create tutorials on creating content using AI, like new TikTok niches and YouTube automation niches. The RPM of online earning videos is very high. Through AI you can create videos in English without using your real voice. Every day a new tool is launching and you can get a lot of sponsorships even if you have a small number of subscribers. For inspiration, you can look at How to AI YouTube's channel. This channel is making more than $100,000 every month. The other way is creating tutorials about small business. 10x Income is doing the same. He provides complete roadmaps about businesses like print on demand and dropshipping in unique ways. Still, the business niche has high RPM and sponsors are willing to pay more than any other niche. But the most income will be from selling courses or digital products. For example, if your tutorial is about creating and selling ebooks, you can sell its templates, and the person who watched the complete videos and is inspired will literally pay for it. Another way is AI news. Channels like AI Search and AI Revolution are doing the same. You can show your face and can also do it faceless, but people trust the real person, and it will be easier for you. In that niche, you don't need complex editing or fast-paced video, but you must be fast and up-to-date. Every day big companies are updating and launching something new. You just need to create an authentic video on it. People prefer watching videos rather than reading articles. Here, mostly income will be from sponsorships. Once you have some followers, companies can pay you anything you demand, because you can bring users to their tools. I am doing all three of them on my channel. You need video editing and thumbnail designing skills, but later you can hire someone. If you are starting, just get a pre-monetized channel. That's link is in the description. The second niche is slideshow videos.
The history of the Israeli-Palestinian conflict dates back to the late 19th century, when Zionists sought to establish a homeland for the Jewish people in Ottoman-controlled Palestine, a region roughly corresponding to the land of Israel in Jewish tradition. The Balfour Declaration of 1917.
That's a style, not a niche, but you can create videos in several niches using this style. You can create history videos, story videos, documentary videos, health videos, biography of celebrities, and even more. Don't worry, that is monetizable if you do it as I'll tell you. First, write a script or ask ChatGPT to write a script or story for you. Then ask ChatGPT to separate all the scenes of the script and convert them into prompts for AI image generation. If you have ChatGPT Plus subscription, then ChatGPT can generate images for you, but if you are a free user, you can use any image generator. My favorites are Leonardo and Microsoft Designer. Use those prompts to create images. Copy the main script from ChatGPT, Open 11 Labs, or any AI text-to-speech tool. Generate a realistic voice for your project. Then, import all the images and voiceover to CapCut or any video editor of your choice. Make a slideshow and use the transitions between them. Also add sound effects and music from YouTube's audio library or use this website to generate music for your video. After some editing, here's the video.
In 2018, during a regular workday in Philadelphia, a man named Charles Desser noticed a young woman, Katie, sitting on the sidewalk, visibly distressed. She had missed her bus and was struggling to figure out how to get home. Instead of passing by, Charles stopped and offered her the little bit of cash he had for a cab. Katie was overwhelmed by his generosity. A few weeks later, she met Charles again and wanted to pay him back. They started talking, and she learned he was trying to get his life back on track after some tough times.
I have a bonus tip for you. If you want to fill the A role and want to make a unique identity, you should create a talking avatar for you. Simply generate an image for you using any image generator. The prompt link is in the description. Then use lip sync websites like DID Studio, HeyGen, and Wondershare Verbo.
Your video is ready.
That's it. I told you 10 niches. You can screenshot this,